In this video, I'm going to do a review of Supreme. This is a product by Venkata Ramana that's available on WarriorPlus. I'm going to take you guys inside the members area, and then we're going to go over the sales funnel. And lastly, I'm going to give you my personal opinion about Supreme. So if you're ready, let's dive right in. Before we get started, I've got a quick question for you guys. What is the definition of insanity? Well, the answer is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result. Well, here you are buying another WarriorPlus product, expecting a different result. Unfortunately, we all know how that story ends. Listen, if you want to discover how to build the foundation for your own $100 per day affiliate marketing business, then I want you to follow these 3 simple steps. Step number 1, click on a link in the description below. Step number 2, enter your name, your best email address, and then click on the button below. And step number 3, watch the Taking Action Online Fast Track Affiliate Bootcamp. This free bootcamp will show you that building a sustainable and recurring income stream as an affiliate is far more straightforward than you think. So, stop the insanity, stop chasing shiny object products, and watch the free Fast Track Affiliate Bootcamp today. All right, guys, so what is Supreme all about? Well, according to the sales page, ChatGPT is cool, but it won't make you money. Better than ChatGPT app generates AI affiliate stores. So you're going to be creating affiliate stores and instantly drives free buyer traffic to it, in less than 30 seconds. That's a very bold claim to say that you can drive free buyer traffic in less than 30 seconds in any niche without any experience. So guys, we're going to take a look at Supreme. We'll see what it's all about, and we're going to see, can you instantly drive free buyer traffic in less than 30 seconds? You be the judge of that. So let's go inside and I'll show you around. All right, guys, we're now inside the members area of Supreme. What is Supreme about? Well, it's about creating stores. So if you're not into creating stores, then this is not the product for you. If you're interested in it, well, I'm going to talk to you about some of the things that you need to be aware of, because it's not as easy as just creating the store. There's a lot of stuff that happens on the back end that you need to be aware of. There's a lot of work involved. So don't be fooled by the hype in WarriorPlus land, okay? A lot of these products are there to get you to buy, and they use words like fast and easy and instant, right? Things that you need to be aware of. Red flags always pop up when I hear those words. But in order to create a store, all you do is you come into Store Builder here, and you're going to choose a subdomain name. Now, this is where I don't agree with subdomains, and primarily because if the product vendor decides not to support this product anymore and they shut it down, you are going to lose your business. Everything that you worked hard for, down the drain. You want to have your own domain, guys. You want to have your own domain. Also, to .org, to me, relates to nonprofit organizations. Okay, so to me, .org is not a good extension to have. I don't like that, but that's my personal opinion. Then you're going to choose a store login email. You're going to click Build Store, and this is where you're going to have your store URL. So look at these store URLs. They're all subdomains here. All subdomains. And again, guys, not very attractive at all when you are trying to brand your business, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at one. So we're just going to click on this login button right here. And it's going to take you to the back end. So this is kind of like your WordPress dashboard, so to speak. This is where you can customize everything. And when you want to view your store, you just click on this button right here and you can view your store. So settings, you got to customize this stuff, guys. Just because they set up the store doesn't mean that everything's filled in there for you. You've got to do it yourself. So there's a lot of work involved. So you got to keep that in mind. Granted, there's a lot of work involved in any type of business you start, but I want you guys to see inside so you see what you need to do. So here are your shop settings right here. You come up with your store name, all this information right here, description, your order ID formats, your currency, everything in here. Everything needs to be customized. You need to enter that in. Your location, your PWA settings, additional CSS, additional JavaScript, other areas that you can customize. And that's just the settings itself. That's just the settings. And when you go into design, they've got themes here. You can choose from different themes that you can utilize. You got to set up your menus. Okay, your header, footer, You got different types of menus that you can customize. Pages, you got to add in some pages, right? And don't forget, guys, don't forget the all important legal pages. You got to have those on your website. I don't know why a lot of these WarriorPlus products don't even talk about legal pages. They don't talk about them, but you got to have them. They're required. They're required. You need those pages on your website. Also, you have sliders. You can customize those as well. SEO feature right here. And oh, by the way, just because you fill this out doesn't mean you're going to rank. Okay. There's a lot more to it than just filling out this one section. All right, guys. And then you got to choose your products. What kind of products are you going to be selling? Physical products, digital products? Depending on what you decide to do, there's going to be challenges involved in all of them. So guys, you need to keep that in mind when you're building out a store. I had an Amazon FBA business for 4.5 years. 4.5 years. I outsourced the products. I had them shipped over. I went through customer, did the whole thing. And it was a lot of work, guys, a lot of work. So if you're doing physical products, just keep that in mind. Digital products, obviously a lot easier because, again, you don't have any physical products to sell. They're all digital and delivered directly to someone's email inbox, okay? Categories, there's attributes, brands, and coupons if you want to do that. Then shipping. If you guys are doing physical products again, shipping is something you're going to have to figure out, okay? I went with Amazon FBA because they did it for me, right? I did everything they did. The back-end stuff, customer support, everything was done for me. That's the reason why I liked Amazon. Obviously, it costs a lot of money to do, but again, that was the price to do business, right? So shipping is something you have to consider if you're doing physical products. Here's where you can handle all your orders, check out your customers, your transactions, reports, reviews and ratings. You can do offers and ads. Your marketing tools here. So if you want to add in any type of analytics codes, you can do that. And they also have an area for blogs. So on your site, you're going to want to create some content to generate some organic traffic. And so that takes time, guys. So that takes time. Just keep that in mind. It's not going to be one blog post and all of a sudden this flood of traffic comes in, right? Because they talk about it here on their sales page that this app is going to instantly drive free buyer traffic to it in less than 30 seconds. So this is WarriorPlus World Talk right here. WarriorPlus World Talk. Instantly drives free buyers traffic to it in less than 30 seconds. So just keep that in mind. Okay, so traffic is something that's very important. We're going to talk about that. But let me just show you what the store looks like. So when you click on that, you're going to see the store. So after you filled everything out, right, then this is what your store is going to look like. Obviously, this is not filled out completely, but this is what your store looks like. If you want to check out the product, you click on it, takes you there. So you're going to have to come up with the name, the description, the price, everything. You have to come up with this information here, guys. Okay, so keep that in mind when you're building out your store. Now, I want to also talk about this AI content, AI graphics, okay, because they also have this feature in here. And this is where you can type in a prompt to get some information, some AI generated information for you. So much like ChatGPT, and I'm sure there's some kind of connection to the ChatGPT API, you got to give this a prompt. You got to give it context. So just typing in a word or a term like make money online is not good enough because the AI doesn't know what it's all about. So you have to give it some context. So let's go with something like 5 top affiliate marketing programs. And let's see what it comes up with here. So give it some time. If I got to pause it, I'll pause it and I'll come back after it's done. And you can see right here, it came up with 5. Okay, it doesn't give you any more context around it. So you're going to have to go and get more content. All right. Whereas you could just go to ChatGPT, which is free, and get that content and build out that content within ChatGPT. But you can see you need to provide context. So if I type in, let's just type in make money online. Let's see what it comes up with. So this is just a regular keyword. Let's type in search. You see what it comes up with. So again, if I have to pause it, I'll pause it. All right, you can see right here, this is what it came up with. Make money online, jobs. So it came up with jobs. But again, you're going to have to come up with the context. You have to give it more in terms of a prompt so you get more information. So you're not going to get a whole lot of content. So you're better off just going to ChatGPT and doing it on your own that way. All right, guys. So let's go to AI graphics. So same thing applies. if you type in something very, very generic, you're going to get back that very, very generic output, right? So let's say if we type in affiliate marketing, let's see what it comes up with. This is just a generic keyword here. So here are the images. And as you can see, I don't know what language this is. It does not make any sense to me at all. So guys, for things like affiliate marketing, this might not be the best tool to use, okay? But let's go ahead and let's just change this to something different. Let's go with dogs playing cards. If you guys are familiar with that famous painting, let's go with dogs playing cards and let's see what it comes up with. And you can see right here, dogs playing cards. So again, guys, it's all about providing context, right? Even when you're using ChatGPT, you got to provide information. You got to instruct the AI to do something. Okay, it's not something that magically happens. You got to work at it and put that time and learn how to use the tool. Same goes with using this. Okay, so now you guys seen AI content and AI graphics. Let's talk about the traffic, because on here they say that this app instantly drives free buyer traffic to it in less than 30 seconds. Very, very over the top, guys. And so the way that they want you to do this is by going into their traffic engine. And you're going to register and log in for an app called Sparks Academy. Sparks Academy. So they're going to teach you how to utilize Pinterest. Now, is Pinterest going to get you instant buyer traffic in less than 30 seconds? Absolutely not. Anything that's organic doesn't get traffic to you instantly in less than 30 seconds. Not unless you've put in a ton of time and effort building out your content. So if you don't have a Pinterest account, you're going to have to set one up. You're going to have to start pinning things. You're going to have to start building that out, building out that asset so you can generate that traffic. It's not going to happen in 30 seconds, guys. Okay? So don't be fooled by the copy here. This copy is meant to get you guys to buy the product, get you to buy the product thinking that you're going to make a ton of money. Okay, so you got to think clearly when you come to these products, especially in the WarriorPlus world, right? So guys, traffic, it's the lifeblood of any business out there. Without traffic, you don't get leads. Without leads, you don't get sales. So that's something that you really need to learn how to do. So guys, now that you've seen inside of Supreme and how it works, let's go ahead and talk about the sales funnel. All right, guys, the front end product Supreme retails for $17. When you exit and 10 off the sales page, they're going to present you with a $5 off coupon code, which drops the price down to $12. There are 7 upsells and 7 downsells. I'm not going to go through all of them. You can pause the video and check them out for yourself. As usual, guys, pricing and OTOs are subject to change. So let me give you my final thoughts on Supreme. All right, guys, so what's my final opinion about Supreme? Well, you guys probably already know what I'm going to say about this product. I would absolutely stay away from Supreme. Sure, you can build out a store, but it's going to take time. But you're building it out on someone else's subdomain, meaning that if they shut down that business, they shut down Supreme, then you're going to lose your store. Not to mention, there are a whole bunch of other things that you need to think about when you're putting together a store. I showed you guys that as I went through the walkthrough. Now, the thing that really I don't like here and is so deceptive is that they're saying that this instantly drives free buyer traffic to in less than 30 seconds. Guys, again, it's a sales page. It's WarriorPlus world. And words like instant and fast and easy are going to be thrown around very, very frequent. And this is to get you guys to buy the product. Just know that it takes a lot of work in order to build up traffic. And if you guys are interested in learning how to generate traffic, how to start your own business with your own domain and sell affiliate products, then click on the link below and check out the free affiliate bootcamp. There are some things that you need to understand before you build your online business. So I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I would greatly appreciate it. This is Ken Furukawa from kenfurukawa.com, and I'll see you in my next video.